Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, maybe you have already familiar about the another AI that can help you to generate the image such as the Nano Banana, Gemini AI, Quen AI, Dream, and maybe the GenTube or also the Dreamina and a lot of tools out there. And in this video I'd like to introduce you about another AI that can help you as good as another AI. The name would be the Stable Diffusion, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And to try out this Stable Diffusion, so you can visit this website stablediffusionweb.com, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the homepage of this Stable Diffusion, and if I'm not mistaken, that we will usually have or will be provided 20 credits, and it will be reset every single day or every 24 hours. And this is the credit I have now, or the credit left in my account. And not to generate the picture only, but also you can do the image editor or do the photo editing. You can click this one, and also you will have a lot of tools over here, or the tools that has been provided by this Stable Diffusion. For example, the background remover, and also the face swap online, and also the AI 3D model generator, and also the AI lip sync video, image upscaler, AI voice cloning, and also the AI video. And if you would like to us to give you this tutorial to try this one out, so you can inform us on the comment section, and we would love to create the video in another version, guys. However, for this time I'd like to share you how to do the image generation. And basically from this homepage or this opening, this Stable Diffusion will directly give you the section to put the prompt to create or generate the picture, guys. And for example, I will choose this, or I will put the prompt into this section, and you can also choose the model. And if you would like to have the premium, so you need to upgrade it into the pro version, and you can also subscribe the package. There are monthly and also the yearly. Which one do you prefer? And if you would like to create it for free, so you just need to activate the standard model over here, and after that you can also see the style. There are auto and also design, maybe the photographic classic, realista, and a lot of styles over here. From this auto until a lot of over here. I don't know how to is STFHF photography. You can do the explore by using this style, and after that you can also choose the aspect ratio. For example, I will choose this one to be landscape, and also you can choose how many pictures that will be generated. For example, one. And if you would like to choose one picture, so it will also consume some credits over here, or it will be reduce the credit that you have now. And after that you can continue to click draw, and after that it will direct you into this section to see the result or the picture, guys. For example, like this. And this is the picture we have now after the generation process. And maybe for the to get more smoother generation process, so you need to make sure that your connection is good, and this will be the result, guys. As you can see, this is the picture we have now, and here we have used the auto style, and you can also generate it into the video, but surely it will also consume several credits over here. And you can also see the tools right here, such as generate video, remove the background, upscale, download, and also share it into your favorite social media, and also delete it. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this Stable Diffusion to create your favorite picture. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.